Namaste to all JVNs. Myself, JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today we will discuss about the cell morphology of cell biology course program of BTech FBT third trimester and BSc FND third trimester. First of all, we will discuss about the major events in the history of the cell biology. So, first of all, Robert Hooke observes the cell of cork tree through a primitive microscope in 1655. In 1674, Leeuwenhoek discovers the protozoa. In 1683, Leeuwenhoek discovers the bacteria. In 1838, Sheldon and Schwann proposed the cell theory. In 1857, Colliker describes the mitochondria in muscles. In 1882, Koch used align dyes to identify bacteria causing TB and cholera. In 1898, Golgi stained cells with silver nitrate, discovering the Golgi apparatus. In 1931, Ruska builds the first transmission electron microscope. In 1965, first commercial scanning electron microscope. And in 1997, first clone was discovered, which was sheep. Now we will discuss about the structures of different type of cells. So first of all, we will discuss about the plant cell. So plant cell will have the plant cell wall, which is rigid in nature and it is made up of cellulose. And then cell membrane. So plant cell will have a central vacuole. It will be the large in structure and it will cover the most of the area of cytoplasm of plant cell. Plant cell will have proper nucleus with two types of endoplasmic reticulum, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER. They will also have nucleolus, Golgi complex, plasmodesmata, which are the gap junction in between two plant cells, chloroplast, which is the essential part of plant cell, and chloroplast will have the pigments which is known as chlorophyll, and it is the main component of the metabolic pathway, which is photosynthesis, and because of this organelle, plant cell can produce the food by their own. Mitochondria again. So this is the basic structure of plant cell. Now we will come to the animal cell. So animal cell has major differences in comparison to plant cell. They will not have cell wall. They will have only cell membrane. And in the cytoplasm, well-developed nucleus, they will have both type of endoplasmic reticulum, RER and SER. Nucleus will have nucleolus, peroxisome. They will have mitochondria. They will not have any kind of a chloroplast, microfilaments, microtubules, and desmosomes and tight junctions will be present as a gap junction in between two animal cells. Secretory vesicles will be there, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus will be well developed in the animal cell. These are the basic structures of plant cell and animal cell. If we talk about the cell shapes and the size of the animal cell, so there are different kind of cells according to their shapes and their size. One is squamous, cuboidal, columnar, polygonal, satellite, spheroidal, discoid, fusiform, and fibrous. These are the different structures and shapes of the cells, and they are basically their own specific structure because of their specific functions. So these are some morphology details about the cell, and this is the sum up of this topic. Thank you. ये ना था, फिर कौन सा?